Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users encounter when using their devices. The issue at hand is problem. Whether you're working on a project or simply browsing the web, this problem can be a real headache. But don't worry, we've got a solution for you. Now, let's talk about the solution of problem. The key here is solution. By following these steps, you'll be able to tackle problem head-on and get back to using your device without any interruptions. It's a simple fix that can make a world of difference in your user experience. Remember, when dealing with problem, it's important to solution. This will ensure that you address the root cause of the issue and prevent it from happening again in the future. With a little bit of know-how and the right approach, you'll be able to conquer problem like a pro. In summary, problem may be a common occurrence, but with the right solution, you can overcome it with ease. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.